Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with another product by Crafters Companion. I am on a design team for Crafters Companion, so sometimes as you know, I'm sharing products and samples I made for Crafters Companion. So this time I've got two stamps. These stamps are coming from a collection called Mindfulness Quotes, and I received those two. So the first one I worked with is the one Be Beautiful, and it says be your own kind of beautiful. And the second one is called Dream More, and it says dream more, work harder. That's the one I worked with first, so let me show you. So the first sample I made is the 6x6 card, and I tried to keep it simple, but it's nice and pretty because I use a paper pearlescent card from Crafters Companion in purple, and then I use I think it's called, let me see, I use this paper pad which is called Garden Party. It's an old paper pad, but I love this one so much. And that's the paper from that Garden Party paper pad. And I use metallic ink to stamp that sentiment, and I used clear embossing powder to hit it, and I think it looks really pretty. And of course I added a ribbon and a bow which actually finishes off or together with the purse. So I really love this sample. So this one is just a standard 10-fold 6x6. So that's the first one. And then I created an easier card again with the same sentiments, and I used a Sage with Flowers paper collection. All the papers are coming from that collection actually, and it's an easier card. And I stamped be your own kind of beautiful in black ink. I added some pearls again, the extra pearls on the bottom, and I added the bow too to finish off this project. So that's the second one. And then I did another two samples with this one, Dream More, Work Harder. Another beautiful, I like the font of that one. So if you remember, we had some stamps for chalkboard effect, so I created this one thinking about chalkboard. So I took matte black card and I stamped it with VersaFine. Which one? Let me just show you exactly which ink I used. This one, Versamark watermark stamp pad. And then I used white embossing powder, and I hit the powder to create this chalkboard effect. I added some butterflies, and I used the same paper pad as on this one, so it's Sage with Flowers paper pad. And then I've made this big card I wanted because the font is so big and bold that I thought I need to create like a card with a big banner on it. And I think this one works really well with this sample. And of course I wanted to add some sparkles, so I added clear overlay. Let me see if you can actually see it. Yes, you can see the sparkle on the letters. And I added some pink water, no, that's alcohol marker inside in that there was this white bit in the center of those stamps over here and over here, and I added some pink to go together with the bow. And this collection is called, let me see, I have everything on the side, I think. No, I cannot see it. This one is, let me, oh yeah, I can see it here on the side. It's from a Secret Garden collection. That's the paper pad from Secret Garden collection. And I think the pearl green is the same from Secret Garden collection. So it looks really nice, and I like this sample. So as always, I usually ask everyone to tell me which sample is your favorite. So we've got the purple, we've got easel card, we've got like a chalkboard and a banner card. So let me know which one is your favorite, and I'm going to link those stamps below the video. I'm not sure if they will be available in the UK or US or both. I'm still not sure about that. I'm thinking that it may be it will be available only on HSN, but I'm not sure. I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check it out, because when I'm recording, it's like still a few weeks before the release, so sometimes we don't get all the information. So thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much for all your lovely comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.